Unlocking English Grammar. Mastering. Have to. Hello learners. Today, we're delving into a very important topic in English grammar. The modal verb of obligation. Have to. Have to is used to express necessities, obligations, or requirements. But how do we form sentences using have to? Let's explore together. Have to is a phrase used to indicate that something is required or necessary. It is often followed by a base verb, the infinitive form without to. The structure of a sentence with have to is typically subject plus have, has plus to plus base verb. Examples: I have to go to school. She has to complete her assignment. Note: we use has instead of have when the subject is he, she, or it. To express that something is not required or necessary, we can make have to negative. This is done by adding do not or does not before have to. Remember, we use does not when the subject is he, she, or it. Subject plus do, does plus not plus have to plus base verb. Examples: I do not have to go to school today. It's a holiday. She does not have to complete the assignment today. She can do it tomorrow. When forming questions with have to, do, or does, precedes the subject. Again, we use does when the subject is he, she, or it. Do, does plus subject plus have to plus base verb. Examples: do I have to go to school tomorrow? Does she have to complete the assignment? When we need to talk about past obligations, we use had to. Subject plus had plus to plus base verb. Examples: I had to go to school yesterday. She had to complete her assignment yesterday. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to form sentences using have to in different contexts. Remember, practice is key, so try to incorporate have to in your everyday English. Keep learning and see you in the next video.